iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Marumo Gallants 1. Chucks and Chucks. Here we are, sir. So this weekend, in that race for the CAF Champions League, SuperSport United got their 3 points. I was watching them last night against TS Galaxy, a game that was refereed by referee Akona Makalima. She's female. The TS Galaxy players were so full of nonsense, protesting, and the pitch was poor. They were playing at TOT, but that's a story for another day. You were here with us when we watched your other rivals for the second place, Orlando Pirates. They defeated Chippa United. It was a pretty much straightforward night. For you, though, it was a more complicated night tonight.
Yes, yes,
sir.
Yes, you might say it's a complicated one. Sheba Marumo Gallants in the Confederation Cup, where are they?
Quarterfinals.
So it says a lot about them. And they played against Royal AM last week.
On Wednesday, they won 3-1.
They won 3-1. Great game of football that they played. So I tried to understand, maybe, but I don't know anyone. I don't have the phone number of anyone. I'll try to ask them, why are you down there? Why are you fighting relegation? While the performance...
It looks like you were trying to help them out of relegation tonight. It looks like Chiefs almost helped them out of relegation.
No, also remember, we're still fighting for the second spot.
Well,
yeah, we don't want to...
With the question that you are asking, why are they down there?
But
I'm just saying sarcastically, it looks like you were trying to help them out, donating 3 points. You scored first, which is a very good characteristic of Chiefs, because the 4 games in a row you won, you could see that in the first half Chiefs score. They usually score. However it comes, whether it's a penalty or whatever, through the pressure, they usually score. You scored first and very early today as well.
Yeah, man, the mentality I think has changed from the Chiefs side. I'm not sure who came into the village to offer assistance, because you could see the players at the moment. They are doing what you call first come, first serve. You score, you score an early goal. That is why what a quality player do breathe. We didn't buy him for nothing. You could even see. I mean, he's improving. Bit by bit. Only thing that you must do is just need composure. But I can tell you, how he scored the goal today against Marumo Gallants. You could see that the guy is enjoying his game. He's getting game time, and also is enjoying his football there in Naturena. Yes, looks. I mean, even Marumo Gallants, they didn't come here to sit back and relax. They've got quality players. I mean, look at the back. Solid defense there. I mean, even in the midfield as well.
Well, there was a point when I thought that Chiefs were going to score. Even in my halftime video that I was shooting with these guys, I was confident that Chiefs would score because although Tsepo Komede had a great game today, I think that it was easy for Chiefs to catch Marumo Gallants in 6s and 7s. It could be a ball from the left, or even from Abu Solomon's on the right. It's a nothing ball. Like it was going anywhere, and then one pass eliminates 3 players, Marumo Gallants. Maybe it was the way in which they were positioning themselves. I think it was just Chiefs not scoring some of the opportunities today.
Absolutely. I mean, we created a lot of chances indeed. Couldn't convert those chances. And if you don't do that, you know the story. You'll never win the games. But as I'm saying, they didn't come here and relax and sit back. I mean, yes, we created chances, but they also did as well. Their final touch let them down also, Marumo Gallants. But all in all, Ngulu's second spot, I think, is fading away from Naturena.
No, you're only 2 points away. There's 5 matches left. There's 15 points on offer for everyone. So you're only 2 points away.
Yeah, but you must keep on winning. You can't draw, my brother.
Absolutely, I agree with you, but I think that it would be remiss of us to dismiss Chiefs. They can't go on a 4-win run. That means they are unbeaten in 5 matches, including this match. They can't go on a 4-win run and close that gap to a point where all points were equal, and just because they dropped points tonight, we feel Uguti they are out of that race. SuperSport United dropped points last week against Chippa United. It was 1-1.
I remember.
Orlando Pirates, they are a goal waiting to be scored. They concede any time. But I don't know why you wouldn't trust your players.
The thing is, it's not like I'm not trusting them, but getting a draw at home is always a problem. So you need to grant those results. We're at home, not away. So, but yes, we'll see what happens. As I've said, what the game might as well fail. We'll see in 28 other games that are coming. We'll see what happens. But Ngulu's also mad, and I mean Samkelo there.
What do you think of that combination?
Yeah, man, the combination. I'm not sure if it's working. Yes, against Tab, yes, it did work a little bit. I think it should be a playmaker, Zwane. You know, I think Matt should just be a man that will help that will help Samkelo, you know, to play his normal game. But you could even see today he was a little bit off, you know, because of maybe Matt. So, but I don't think the combination worked tonight. But we will see in the next game if they're still going to play together. You know, Matt is back and Steve is still on the bench. But Sukhota, I think Zwane also please. You know, bring him on. I mean, you can't keep on the bench all the time. It's the reserve side as well on the side. It's also on the in the team sheet. So why can't you play Zwane as well? I mean, it's a question that I'm asking the coach. But all in all, we'll see what happens going forward.
Yeah, it's interesting because I think I get confused a little bit with Mashiane. To your point about Zwane, that. It seems to me that Zwane would be a better attacking option than Mashiane. So what is he trying to do? When he took out, for example, today, the subs, you take out Umtuduzi and you also take out Utoli, and then you put in Matlo and Mashiane. And I'm asking myself, are you trying to consolidate? Consolidate what? Consolidate the draw? Are you trying to be more attacking? Because for all we know, Mashiane is a utility who can play left back and left wing-ish, but we see him more as a defender most of the time.
Absolutely. It's all about 1,000 trying to close the shops. Nothing else, nothing more. Mashiane, you know, he can overlap going forward, and even Matlo. I mean, Matlo is not that kind of a player that can give you even more energy going forward. So those two players, I don't know why. I mean, you take out Shabalala, also take out Dolly. So you need to bring people that they've got pace, like Dupreez, that can get you something out of nothing. You could even see Solomon's tonight was running like nobody's business, you know, trying to get those crosses, but the Chiefs were unable to convert those chances that they created. But all in all, that I'm saying, we'll see what happens. Maybe there will be a different team.
Oh, we're going to that bank next week?
Yes, against Royal AM. Yes, we'll see what happens. But the results are very important because of the second spot. If we want to go back to a confederation, then we need to win each and every game. There shouldn't be no draw at all. Because once you draw, then you draw points, then other teams, they will win and go and be on top of you. So, yeah.
You are disappointed. It looks like you were lost the game, but I can understand it. So second spot is Champions League. The third place is reserved for CAF Confederations Cup. It's a Europa League, really, of African football. No one wants to play in the Confederations Cup. It's a waste of time and waste of an expensive tournament. No one wants to play there. Just sometimes you happen to be there and you have to play the games. The Champions League, that's the real deal. We want everyone to be in the Champions League. Chiefs went to the final of the Champions League a few years ago. Mamelodi Sundowns, of course, are the champions in 2016 and 95. Orlando Pirates were the champions of Africa in the CAF Champions League. So we all want them to be, or those clubs would want to be in the CAF Champions League and not the losers tournament, CAF Confederations Cup. No one wants to play that. It's just a waste of a tournament. iDiskiTV, Diski Times was betting.